Hello everyone, also hi to the ladies. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Nthabi. Welcome to my channel. I am working on clean hair. I am using yarn to create an anchor braid. I start off with yarn and then add hairpiece. Yarn because it doesn't slip off like hairpiece. This is where the ponytail will be created. I shaved all my hair off in November, so this is 3 months post the shave. I add more yarn and hairpiece onto the first braid because my hair is short. If you use a lot of hairpiece from the get-go, it will slip off because the hair is short. So this technique just works. I wrapped it into a knot. I'm using this Dark and Lovely gel and Got2b glue to lay the hair. The gel was 55 Rand from Checkers. Cantu leave-in conditioner to moisturize the hair. From here, all I do is apply the gel. My hair is not damp. It is very short, so it's easily saturated with the product. I apply the gel twice in the front and at the back. Just use however much you feel is enough for your hair. I start off with this paddle brush to rake through the coils, and then I use a nail brush. Sectioning hair out for my edges. From here, all I do is brush the hair in the direction I want it laid in. Smooth the hair with your hands as you brush. It makes a huge difference. This is water just to lift the hair. It dries quickly because it's short. Got2b glue for my edges. You swoop down and you curve in. And you do this until you are happy with how it looks. I prefer using edge control for this because it makes the molding process easier. I didn't have any when creating this tutorial, but I suggest you use it, especially if you are still learning how to lay your edges. It makes the process easier. I have a thin hairline, so creating these designs is just a great camouflage. Wear a silk scarf so that your hair dries in position. It takes less than an hour for the hair to dry when it's this short. I added this braid to create a thicker, more stable knot to attach the hair on. You can go about this however you see fit. Stocking cap so that it stays in position. Oil sheen for shine and to remove any white residue. The tracks I'm using are from a wig I deconstructed. I couldn't find the synthetic hair I wanted to use, so I opted for this. Magic sells similar hair for less than 100 Rand. I apply the glue on the stocking cap. I'll be attaching the tracks onto it. You can sew them on if you want to. I attach the track and dry it as I wrap. You wrap the hair from the tip to the base. This process is extremely tedious when you can't see what you're doing. But the glue is rubber-based, so it moves easily from your fingers. This is the last track. Section hair out from the back or the sides and conceal the tracks at the base with it. And you are done. If the anchor braid is well secured, your puff will not fall off or be painful. So just make sure you secure it to the best of your ability. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this useful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.